So let me share a little bit about the virtual training in semiconductors or silicon carbide, how we can use that to develop skills and build competencies all over the world using the virtual training. And basically, in silicon carbide crystal growth, you have a machine, you grow the crystals, and when you want new people to learn those things, you show them at the machine. And if you have many people coming in, it will be much time used at the machine for training, showing how to do things, when learning them to use that machine and be part of the silicon carbide crystal growth and manufacturing. So if we want to make that more efficient, then we can do virtual training and show the things before they actually use the physical tools. So that is the part where we can set up things using virtual training. For example, VR glasses, you're at the machine, and those who see these things, they see the same thing as you, and at the side they see the schematic of the machine. When I change something in the lab, you see it, and then also next to it we have a visualization, so you can see the process of all these things. So this is an interactive design which we would like to develop further for creating global partnerships. And here, of course, there's a lot of things about how should this look like, so people can actually be familiar with it without being stressed by the virtual reality things. It should be real virtual reality. At least it should feel like that. So then the design of this is of course super important for the human interaction. And how to design this for silicon carbide is we don't know, but we can find out. And that's why we have activities related to this. And we are starting with some partnerships where we will do these things and enjoy. But for now, those thoughts will be on hold because it's actually Easter time and spring is coming, and that's why I'm outside enjoying nature and the innovation ideas.